Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install Samsung UI on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the Play Store on your smartphone. Now from here just search Samsung wallpaper. Now from here just scroll down and install this app. Now as you can see, I have already installed this app on my smartphone. And if you have not installed it yet, just tap on install, and once the app is fully downloaded, just go back and search S24 launcher. Now from here just scroll down and download this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app on your smartphone, and once the app is fully downloaded, just go to your home screen. Now from here just open the Samsung wallpaper app on your smartphone. Now from here just select any Samsung wallpaper you like. I will select this one, and from here just tap on apply. Now just select home screen. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the S24 launcher. Now from here just tap on agree and tap on OK. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed the Samsung launcher on our smartphone. Now let's set the Samsung S24 launcher as the default launcher for our smartphone. To do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here just search default home app. Now from here just select S24 launcher, just like that. And this is how you can install Samsung UI on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.